Hi everyone! Here are the top 10 features of WatchOS 10. Smart Stack. A new widget system that displays the information that you need most, and it changes throughout the day. Control Center. Now activated with the side button rather than a swipe, and it includes new features like a flashlight intensity slider and a quick access button for turning on night mode. Redesigned apps. Several key Apple Watch apps received attention in the WatchOS 10 update, including Weather, Stocks, Home, Maps, Messages, and World Clock. New cycling features. Apple Watch now offers more cycling features, including advanced metrics, views, and experiences. Improved hiking features. WatchOS 10 includes new features for hikers, such as a new elevation view and the ability to track the time you spend in daylight. New mental health experience in the Mindfulness app. WatchOS 10 introduces a new mental health experience in the Mindfulness app to reflect on your state of mind. Sleep tracking. WatchOS 10 includes improved sleep tracking features, such as the ability to track your sleep stages and set sleep goals. Family setup. WatchOS 10 introduces Family Setup, which allows parents to set up Apple Watches for their children without the need for an iPhone. New watch faces. WatchOS 10 includes several new watch faces, including World Time, Portraits, and Numerals Duo. Performance improvements. WatchOS 10 includes a number of performance improvements, such as faster app launching and smoother animations. In addition to these top 10 features, WatchOS 10 also includes a number of other smaller improvements and bug fixes. Thanks for watching.